Already lost their egg.
No, no baila.
No?
Intento. Ella baila, sí, ella vuelve. Ella baila y canta.
Ah, sí.
¿De dónde eres? De Brasil. Si tú no quieres bailar, no me digas.
Pero es como...
Wow. There was a video.
Say hello, cause I know I'm rocking the beat. I know you heard about a lot of good MC, but they got nothing on me. Because I'm 5 for 2, I wanna dance with you, and I'm sophisticated, but hey, I'm feeling me on, and I'm nice and young, best believe I'm #1. Hey, rock it, the stuff. Everybody get on the floor, make it rock. We're about to get it.
Oh, it's just taking his bag. I thought he was gonna do a dance.
She said you want dance. You want come.
And then you just got your bag.
Don't worry, there will be times to do this when we get to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome, yeah.
So it had been nice to go sightseeing and explore the highest and whitest village in Andalusia, but we all had our fill and were ready to go to our hotels, rest, and get ready for our New Year's Eve party.
Hi guys, so we are staying in a hotel tonight. Let me get into the light a little more. It's the night and the view outside is beautiful. I will get a good video in the morning so that you can see, but for now let's do an apartment tour. Okay, so here's the entryway, and this is so cool because we can see a full view of ourselves. What's wrong with my English? Okay, I've been learning a lot. So we can see a full mirror. Oh, see? And this is the bathroom. Really beautiful. Wow, look at this. So, they actually gave us towels because we were told to bring our own. Look at this big mirror. So, and we have a hair dryer as well. Like, they told us to bring these things. Maybe it's for the next apartment because we have to change the next thing. So this is like the, the toilet area. And this is the room. We are sharing the room. So it's 3 girls. I'm actually grateful because... Hi, there's Madaí. See? And Giselle.
I am from Brazil.
Yes.
I am from Ecuador.
See, so South America and the Caribbean. So awesome. So this is the room. We have 3 beds. I'm really grateful because I was with the guys before, and I'm like, no, I do not want to share a room with guys.
I'm crazy.
So I'm really grateful that these ladies were willing to change the room so we could stay together. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this! Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, how do you? Okay. Okay, so I'll definitely show you a view tomorrow, but...
Ay, me siento rica. I feel rich.
I do too.
Buenas, en Brasil en el fin de año se salta 7 olas, pero aquí también en Portugal se hace todo. Se toma el vino de Porto, que es muy dulce, muy bueno.
Y eso vamos a hacer.
Muy bueno. Aquí en España se toma, como se come, 12 uvas, una para cada mes del año.
Y listo.
Listo.
'Hi, bird. Hello. Ah! Okay, he just flew away from me.